Yeah, nigga.
Yeah,
Bro, I remember you.
you do?
You that one nigga that used to blink a lot.
How you know me?
Yeah, I swear you're not alone. Just keep your mental strong, yeah. Just keep holding your head up. We gon' keep running this bread up. Yeah, young nigga triple blessed and I can't even lie. Yeah, been through so much I'm numb as fuck and I can't cry. I swear I've been through some hard times. Hey, I'm finally.
Motherfucking banger, bitch. Say, don't let that bitch sing like Tina Turner on a good day, bitch. And you already know we with that fuck shit. You already know we with that fuck shit, so we on this bitch, and I'm feeling real good, man. Y'all was fucking with me last time. I'm feeling real good. I'm feeling real blessed, man. You know what I'm saying? So I'm thinking, I'm just gonna say, fuck it, man. Let's get this shit out. Let's get it. 752 TV, baby. Hey, what's up, bro?
Yo.
Yo,
Hey, you wanna see the message chick? You really see the message chick?
You that one dude from New York?
Huh?
You that one dude from New York, right?
Yeah, no, but I'll show you some. Hold on, wait. I'm gonna let him show you first. Hey, I'm gonna have to get out the room.
What the fuck is that, man? No. Y'all, oh, they with that fuck. Hey, what's up?
Yo, smile for the camera.
Hey.
Hold on, wait. Let's do it again. Yeah. Yo, we got you. We did it. You can stop posting that.
Hey, rate my fit.
It's a solid 9.
You said a 9?
You know what? Yeah.
Okay, rate me. Rate me.
The same way you had your outfit.
Okay, you rate me. You rate me with the outfit.
9 and 9.
Okay, for sure. That's solid. Hey, alright, for sure. Stay easy, y'all.
Mhm.
Hey, D Money. Bro, what the fuck you got going, bro? Wow, he licking his lips and shit. Hey, Trey. Young nigga.
Yeah.
Bro, I remember you.
You do?
You that one nigga that used to blink a lot.
How you know me?
Bro, I know your ass, man.
When? What was this? Today or yesterday?
You said, bro. Oh, nigga, I'm your cousin. I'm your cousin, nigga.
For real?
Yes.
How you my cousin?
Bro. Aunt Susie?
I don't know. Yeah, I don't know no answer.
Nah. Aunt Sue? Aunt Sue? Susu?
I know somebody named Susu.
Yeah, Aunt Susu.
But how you know? How you know?
Rate my fit,
Alright.
bro. Rate my fit.
What type of shoes you got on?
I got some Balenciagas, bro.
Black ones?
Yeah.
Let me see. Hold on, take one of them off and show me.
Bro, nigga was saying that my jeans are too tight. You think they tight, bro?
Yes, bro. I like girl jeans.
hey, but you think my jeans is tight as your do-rag?
My do-rag not that tight, bro.
That's probably why you blink like that, gang.
How you know me for real? That's
You my cousin, fam.
Bro, I know you know. No, I am not
Oh,
your cousin.
look, that little Kimbo right there. That little Kimbo. Shay. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. That little Kimbo right there. Hey, see you later. Hey, blink 5 times. Hey. from Chicago? Hey, on King Dave, bro. Rate my fit, bro. On King Dave, rate my fit.
BD. BD.
Bro, not you just quoted a motherfucking...
BD. Come on, bro. You gay, bro.
Bro, how am I gay?
You is gay.
How am I gay?
You gay, bro.
How am I gay?
There's hella bitches out here. You talking about me, right? A bit.
What?
There's hella bitches out here, bro.
Bro, I just want... I'm trying to smash this one bitch. I'm trying to see if this is the right fit.
Nah, I don't like it.
Bro, why niggas been saying my jeans too tight on BD?
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Yo. Bro, what you playing, bro?
Oh, but they caught.
Bro, hop on, bro. Let me fuck with you, bro.
Nigga, what's your shit?
HOFQ, nigga. HOF_Q, nigga. The GOAT, nigga.
Alright, hold on. Say what?
HOFQ_Q.
Fuck, I gotta sign in my account real quick. Hold on.
GOAT, man. I'm the GOAT on that shit, man. You talk, man. And then I gotta ask you something, man.
Wait, what's your shit?
HOF_Q.
H
OF_Q.
O F. Wait, hold on. What? Underscore Q. Well, that shit got the slab on it.
Yeah. Hey, real shit. Why niggas been saying my jeans tight, gang?
What the? Oh, I ain't even, bro. This nigga here.
Bro.
This nigga weird.
Bro, what you mean?
Bro, I ain't even moving like that, man.
What you mean you ain't moving? Hey, Kinfo, you move however I want you to.
Huh?
You move however I want you to.
Bro, this nigga fruity as fuck,
You move however I want you
Hey,
to.
bro, hop on COD, nigga. That's all I gotta say. This nigga fruity as fuck.
I feel like I'm finna die, fam. I've been hard ever since last night, fam. Oh shit. I think I'm finna burst, bro. I've been bleeding and shit, bro.
Hey, you want to see my black cousin?
Bro, shut the fuck up.
You shut up.
You don't got no fucking black cousin.
Yes, I do. Look.
You really do, huh? That nigga's white.
He's black.
That nigga's white.
He's African American.
He is not.
You want to see what my girl looks like?
Bro, rate my fit, bro. Why niggas been saying my jeans too tight, gang? Oh, she look young, like a minor. Look, rate my jeans, bro. They been saying my jeans tight. Bro, I've been hard ever since last night, bro. I ain't been able to recover.
Bro, you strong as shit.
You sound strong as shit, bro.
You better strong as hell, cuz. You strong?
He's built like a bodybuilder.
Hey, what's happening, gang? Hey, what's up, gang? Bro,
What's good?
hey, what's the plays in Miami, fam? I'm trying to get put on real talk, nigga.
Shit.
Bro, look at me, eye to eye, nigga, man to man, nigga. Look at me, I'm trying to get put on, young nigga.
I'm trying to get put on you, nigga.
Bro, look at me. Look what I'm wearing, nigga. I'm wearing apple bottom, nigga.
Oh shit.
Fuck with me, boy. Fuck with me, young nigga.
All I can say, these hoes down here, cuz these hoes something else. Tell you.
Bro, you think my jeans too tight to go down there, bro?
Hell no.
But they tight
What
enough.
you wearing?
Like,
We be wearing tight jeans down here too.
Oh, bro, like, shit, bro.
Hell no, we were stack jeans around here, boy. What's wrong with you, boy?
Hey, tell him to come to the camera, young nigga. Come to the camera, young nigga.
Man, come to the camera.
Come to the camera. Look at me, eye to eye, nigga.
Oh,
Eye to eye, nigga. Eye to eye, young nigga.
he said, eye, young nickel.
Hey, I fuck with y'all. Hey, stay easy, young niggas. You see what I'm saying?
Bro, who you know wear skinny jeans, bro?
Oh, what the fuck, bro? Oh. I didn't even notice that shit. What the fuck? Hey, take that cucumber out your pants, nigga.
Yeah, nigga.
Take that cucumber
Yeah,
out your
nigga.
pants, nigga.
What the fuck you mean,
Take that
young
cucumber out your
nigga?
pants, nigga.
Young nigga.
Oh. Nigga, screenshot of that shit, bro.
Nah, chill out, young nigga. Chill out.
You all this bitch being a pedophile, bro. That shit sad.
Chill out, bro. Hey, take this picture, bro.
God damn. Hold on, don't skip me. Don't even do none of that yet. Hold on. That's real? Touch it, like touch the ends and shit. Poke it, nigga. Poke it. Alright, nah. You know how you move your shit by yourself, so move it by yourself.
Bro, chill out, bro. I ain't on no weird shit, bro.
That's not weird. I promise you I'm not
Bro,
being
that's
real.
weird, bro.
Cause that ain't real.
Bro, it is, bro. Like, I've been like, no shit, bro. I take medication, bro.
Alright, what you take? Let me see, cause I need to take some. I need my shit to get big.
I know. Look, fam. I took this blue pill, bro. I've been hard ever fucking since, nigga.
Let me see, where is that? Let me see it.
I'm tripping, bro. I'm high as fuck, geeking, tweaking. Real talk, nigga.
Let me see the pill. I need a little pill. I need that shit.
Bro, you need this shit, bro. That shit'll make your 3-inch into a 12.
I got an 8-inch. I need that shit to a 15.
Nah, I got 2. And then I took this shit and it, boom, nigga.
Alright, show me the pills if I can go buy some.
Bro, look, it's blue, nigga. Just go up in the motherfucking stove, bro, and get you the blue.
Bro,
Say,
you know how many blue shit is there that's blue?
say you want that blue rhino.
That's what you took?
Yeah, blue rhino, nigga.
You been hard since how many days?
2 days straight, bro.
Alright, flex it. I'm just curious because that's just like a little strap.
Bro, come on, bro. Stay easy, bro. That's weird, bro.
Alright, I'm not.
That's some weird shit. That nigga gay. Hey, baby D from Baltimore. Bro, I took a blue pill, been like this ever since, bro. That shit fucked me. I don't know what's up, bro. Like, nigga, drug dealer gave me that shit, bro. That shit fucked up. I just want to come on here and show y'all niggas don't take a blue rhino, bro. Like, that shit fuck you up, bro. Real talk.
You need to go get your lip back.
You had my lip done?
You need to get your lick back.
Yeah, fam. Cause this shit is unacceptable, right?
That's acceptable.
That's acceptable.
Yeah.
Come on, bro. Oh, no. Hell no. It's acceptable. It's acceptable. It's acceptable. Hey.
Hello?
Hey, what's up?
What is that in your pants?
Huh?
What is that in your pants?
Same thing yours.
No, but like that's like huge.
Appreciate you. Thank you.
That wasn't a compliment. That's scary.
Thank you. What's up,
How
bro?
are you, friend?
Huh?
I just heard that.
What? Huh? Ah! Are you in Hollywood gang? Are you in Hollywood?
Shut the fuck up, black bitch.
Bro, you think I'm good enough to be a Hollywood porn star?
Shut them ass up, bitch.
Bro, shut your bitch ass up, nigga. You wanna fight me, nigga? Fight me.
Fucking dumbass nigga.
Fight me,
that
nigga.
boy.
Fight me.
You ugly as shit.
Fight me. Fight me.
Shut your dumb ass up. Look at you, that stretch out tank top, boy. Them tie-dye pants, that little white dick, boy. That stupid ass boy.
Bro, you
That
gay
little
in the
ass-
hole. Why you gotta talk about my dick? That nigga gay. That my little ass dick. Yeah. That nigga gay in the hole. Gay in the hole, bro.
Hey, block.
That nigga, hey, these niggas gay in the hole, bro.
No. Let's think I thought you was about to be one of these
I
weird
said these
niggas.
niggas. I said these niggas gay in the hole, bro. These niggas weird, bro.
Niggas on this shit. Wow, they be wow.
Bro, I get on this bitch, bro. Bro, everybody just start saying weird shit, bro. Why? Hey, how you do that? YMCA. Yo, hit that bitch for me. YMCA. Yo. Hey, can you rate me?
Yeah.
Rate me, man. What?
Why is your pencil like that, sir?
What you mean?
You know what I'm talking about.
I don't.
Why your pants so tight?
Bro, chill out, bro. Chill out.
Nah, that nigga can't walk. That nigga.
Slime. Hey, what's up, bro?
Oh, what's up, Slime? You from ATL?
Yeah, bro, how you know?
Fuck, nigga. Oh, these foot, bro. Come on, bro. I see your dick.
Bro, how you know I'm from ATL, bro?
Let's try that as jeans, bro.
Bro, stop
Okay,
worried
Swift
about.
and Bads,
Bro,
man.
stop worried about my. Bro, chill out, bro.
Man, Swift and Bads, man.
Bro, chill out, bro.
Swift and Bad.
Huh?
Swift and Bad, nigga.
What you mean?
Swift, nigga.
Swift?
Bro, your throat.
What? Hey, what's up, bro?
Boy, you look gay.
What?
You look gay as shit, nigga.
Bro, how I look gay?
Bro, gay to the bitch, boy. You there, boy. Your mama need to smack your shit, boy. Take your ass back to sleep, wake up with some mindset, nigga.
Hold on. You see these diamonds? You think I give a fuck, boy?
Boy, on Walmart shit, nigga. Walmart chain fake in a bitch, like in a hoe, nigga. Boy, nigga, chill out, nigga. Hairnet, what the fuck is you wearing, nigga? Come on, now.
On BD. BD. What's up, bro? Hey, I'm trying to get to know something. I want to know something. Like niggas keep saying
Why your jeans so tight?
Bro, why niggas keep saying that shit?
Cause you know you got on somebody else's pants.
Bro, I don't got on nobody else's pants. Hey, look. Can you look? I need you. Can you stand back? Can you stand back real quick?
You can't even walk. You can't even take a step forward. Your little dumb ass. Look at you. Yo.
Hold on. I can't. Hold on. What's up, Harry?
What's up?
Why niggas keep saying my jeans tight, bro? That shit weird as fuck. Man, that shit keep pissing me off, bro. Like, nigga, what the fuck is funny?
I'm still on my phone.
No, bro, just cause I'm getting bullied on this hoe, and I feel like crying. I'm finna kill myself, man.
Why don't you just change your pants then?
I ain't gonna kill myself because I don't like suicide. But if you say something about my yeah, bitch was finna say a joke. Bitch was finna say a joke. Oh, bro, you smoking on the backwoods?
Hell no, I ain't got no woods right now.
Bro, you want some different type of bullshit, bro. You know damn well them bitches too tight.
Bro, chill out, bro.
You need to chill out.
Chill out. Chill out.
Chill out. You.
Hey, I heard y'all niggas in Mossville know how to party.
Huh?
I heard y'all motherfuckers in Mossville know how to party like Hardy. Hey, rate my fit, bro. No bullshit.
Okay, I give it. Okay, what kind of shoes you got on?
Balenciagas.
Okay, what color?
Black.
Okay, I give it a 10.
A 10?
Yeah.
Balenciagas made it a 10?
Yep.
Ah, they give us some bullshit.
It's a 10.
So what if it's some high shoes?
Then it's not a 10. It's gonna be an 8.
I'm still jippy.
Yeah.
Hey, you think this dance? I'm trying to be on the next Magic Mike, and I'm trying to look. You think this dance? Look.
No. Don't do that. Don't do that. It looks like you don't got no ass to shake.
Big Shawnee. What's up? Big Shawnee. You a bitch. Now I'm peeing. We him, G.
Is that your friend?
I'm from the motherfucking D.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying? This how we get down in the D, no shit. You know what I'm saying? I be on some other shit. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Yeah. Type shit. What's him, gangster?
What's up?
But first question though, what the fuck is on your head though, gangster? You look like a do-rag, but look like not do-rag. I don't know what the fuck is on your head. Can you fix that shit, gangster?
I just threw it on.
No, yeah, you look like you just threw that shit on, man. You look like that shit can fall off too. How that shit holding on? What this shit holding on to? Thoughts?
I thought, yeah.
Oh, fuck no. Hell no. That dude, you ain't got no ways, gang.
Yeah.
Damn, bro. Why you so boring and dry, bro? I should just fire your ass up for just being so boring and dry. Why you look like you just got done eating a drumstick, greasy lip ass nigga?
Cause I ate chicken.
Oh yeah, you look like you just ate some chicken, greasy lip ass nigga. Cause I ate some chicken, licking ass nigga. Probably smell like chicken and your house smell like chicken and roast spray. It smell like chicken and roast spray, young nigga.
Not chicken and roast spray.
Yeah. Hey, but stay easy, Big Shiny.
You do.
Hell no. Hey, you gay as fuck, boy.
Yeah.
Hey, rate my fit, bro.
Rate your way.
Rate my fit.
I mean, you just got on a regular black tank top.
I knew you was gonna say some weird ass shit, bro. Some dry ass shit, bro. You know what I'm saying? I knew it. But, I'm gonna say this, son. You a bitch. I beat your ass when you mobile? What the fuck is mobile? I ain't never seen mobile. Wherever I find out where mobile is, I'm gonna come to mobile and beat your ass, nigga. No shit, nigga. Just for being on this bitch talking about some boy gay as fuck. What the fuck you mean, boy gay as fuck? You a little boy, nigga. 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 Shut up, nigga. I'm swole, nigga. I knock your bitch ass up, nigga. Knock your bitch ass out, nigga. Knock your bitch ass out, nigga. Yeah, nigga. On the game, nigga. On the low, nigga. Yeah. On the lows, nigga. On the lows, nigga. Lows. Hey, gang. Frank. Little Frankie. Little Frankie Frank. Oh, man. You gotta love this shit, man. Well, we're not getting too many people on this bitch. I mean, we gonna try to spice the bitch. Try to spice. Hey, bro. Can you do me a favor, bro? Just tell me how I look, bro. Tell me how I look, bro. Damn, bro. Fuck, man. That's how they doing, man. They shocked at this BBC. Damn, bro. They scared of this BBC, bro. Tell you. gotta get out this hoe. This hoe suck. Hey, yeah, Wayne. Oh man. Damn, man. Can I'm not. You know, you trying to close this bitch and you just keep getting niggas? Damn, man. Thank you.